Hey, what's up, guys? This is Big Russ, and today I've got a shipment in from none other but Oppai Factory. So, as you can see, this is the TRX4 V2 Tarantula hop-up kit. These hop-up kits are not just cosmetic, okay? They do look fantastic, but they include one item that is kind of a game changer. Okay, so as you can see with my ripper, that's the center skid, right? My links go into the skid. On the 60, the skid, nice, neat, nothing there to get caught on. So with Oppai's center skid, you get these little guys, and they literally, once you get your links on this, that plate gets screwed on, and that allows you to have the skid plate raised up into the Tarantula chassis. All right. You get plenty of hardware. I know it's hard to see. You get two mounts for the radiator that goes like back here behind the driver. And it's not just, this little silver 3D printed piece, okay? You get two little radiator fans. Reading the directions, it's kind of, I'm not going to say it's unclear where these go. So these are side mounts, and they get glued onto the skid. The shorter one is for your battery. Okay, you can see there's a huge size difference here. And the taller one is for your electronics to mount to. And I'm guessing they just kind of go like that. I don't have a Tarantula chassis to test these on. I'm not going to have a Tarantula chassis until this truck's done and this truck's well underway. Okay? That's just me. I've got too many irons in the fire. But why I ordered this is in my hand. And I don't think the video is going to do it justice. But this is his line Sleigher, only for December color for the Tarantula hop-up kit. And he has one for the Synthwave. So it's a whole new body and hood in this color, okay? Let's get this to where it makes sense. So this color is like a metallic army green, kind of got some golds in it. It's incredible. Okay, like, there we go. How good does that color look? So you get a hood, you get a roof, and man, that color, I love it. So the roof, this thin edge is the front. This little ducktail spoiler is the rear. I think it's cool. And then we have the side panels. And I gotta say, these look so much better than the Enduro ones. Yes, they're 3D printed, not injection molded. Doesn't matter. The design work that he has put into these, fantastic. One thing I noticed, so right here, you put an M2.5 by 14 millimeter screw to run one of the rubber band limit straps for your front axle. Now, this body is designed so you can run a Tarantula with a lay-down transmission, because this you have to cut the front of the Tarantula off, and this kind of just covers your servo. You also get shock mounts on the hood panel. Now, note 5, install hood using longer 18 millimeter screws through the shocks, spacers, and cage. Okay, so you got it getting mounted here and here, but you have points along here to adjust the front. And because this truck's easier to see, much like, you know, I've got all these shock mounts front and rear, he's giving you more than what you would have on the Tarantula. So you can really dial it in to how you want it to sit and perform. What else about that? Two additional 8 millimeter screws are supplied to mount in a free hole to further support. So if you're running your shocks all the way back here, right, you can run a shorter screw in the front to help hold it together a little better. That's brilliant. I wish I had a Tarantula chassis here so I could kind of show you what it looks like together, but I don't. I've got stuff I got to get finished before I even attempt that. So, as you can see, you're cutting like the whole nose off. Again, his directions are great. The skid plate is designed to use rear links on both ends, recommending 2 sets of rear 68 millimeter Defender links and shafts. You can also use high trail links if you want to go longer. Okay. It's another reason I don't have one, because I don't know if I'm going to go super long or T-Rex it. I don't know yet. And for those that are confused about what T-Rexing it is, shorter links up front, longer links in the rear. But love it. Color 10 out of 10. Talking with him, he's like, I don't know if this one's better than my chestnut color. I've not seen the chestnut, but that is absolutely gorgeous. I will be ordering more of his limited edition stuff in the future. I already have one Synthwave body. I really didn't want another, so I got the Tarantula. Who knows? I might. His next limited edition Synthwave, I might order that just to have on hand, because I love mine and it looks amazing. So why not get, different colors to dress them up as I see fit. But I've been Big Russ. This video has gone long enough. I love you guys. I will see y'all in the next video.